Think of power, think of us. We are there for you. No matter where you are in the world, we are there for you. Manufacturing alternators since 1904 under the renowned STAMFORD and AVK brands, we have been setting the industry standard for all generator set configurations. Staying true to our mission of making people's lives better by powering a more prosperous world, we continue to be led by the vision to innovate for our customers, to power their success. Our core values are ingrained in the very fabric of the organization. Cummins Generator Technologies operates from 6 manufacturing plants across Europe, Asia and India. The Republic of India, also called Bharat, is the 7th largest country with the 2nd most population in the world. The largest democracy, India, remains one of the most ethnically diverse countries of the world. An amalgamation of rich cultures, innumerable castes, as well as linguistic groups. India is proud of its rich agricultural expansion and vibrant cultural exports of music, literature and cinema. Poised for the future, with a highly diversified industrial base, India has a well-developed infrastructure and a talent pool of scientific and engineering resources. As an industry leader, our innovation adopts green technology and design. This is visible in the buildings we build and operations we design. Since setting up our first factory at Ahmednagar in 1992, our operations have expanded in Maharashtra, where we have built the first truly green manufacturing plant in Ranjangaon in 2007. This plant has been recognized across the globe for its environmentally friendly design. Our alternators are manufactured in environments compliant to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. Aligned to one global standard set as a benchmark for alternators in the industry, our plants utilize the same sophisticated manufacturing technologies, advanced systems, common practices and rigorous testing techniques backed by a committed customer support network worldwide to ensure dependable and innovative products and services. Our success is built on collaboration of innovative minds working together across the globe to share ideas, technologies, experiences and a passion to push the boundaries of what seems impossible. Manufacturing with extreme precision at our plants is what makes our products dependable to the core. All our plants are equipped with the most advanced automated robotics system to handle processes such as trickling of stator, hot roll dip of rotors, auto rotor winding, vacuum pressure impregnation, rotor balancing, pressing operation, auto coil winding, paint booths, to name a few. Our processes are backed by the latest cutting-edge technologies developed by the Technical Center, where both routine and type tests are done aligned to IEC standards. Precise testing and calibration are done all through production. It's not just our products that set us apart, it's how we engage our customers every day. The unique combination of knowledge, dependability and innovation we bring to each customer relationship turns everyday service into excellent customer support.
The day we started supplying, we understood that STAMFORD means quality. There is no compromise for quality, safety and environment.
We stay committed to the ongoing development of advanced electrical technologies for the future power needs of our many stakeholders. Our distribution network consists of 28 authorized service providers across India, 1 in Nepal and 2 in Sri Lanka. Our strong service network provides online web part ordering access to service providers. Empowering the service network further is our strong aftermarket support, geared to support demanding machine uptime requirements. Parts are stocked at service providers' location training and tools are made available, along with service resources for supporting maintenance contracts. With a range extending from 7.5 to 11,200 kVA, our products are engineered for the most arduous applications such as industrial, marine, locomotive, telecom, oil and gas, to name a few. We understand that our people are the organization's heartbeat, and we invest in their holistic development. Be it sessions to enhance depth of knowledge and experience, or interactions with the leadership team to gain an insight into their career growth, or formal and informal platforms to hone their skills and get acquainted with best practices, structured programs are being developed for our workforce. Behavioral training of shop floor employees towards better team building, positive attitude, communication skills and etiquette, building success in others, etc. are also undertaken. Since inception, we have been able to stay at the forefront of the industry because we create partnerships with our employees, our customers, and the communities in which we serve. 2 villages have been adopted as model villages: Manzarsumba village near Ahmednagar and Nimgaon Bhogi near Ranjangaon. Significant work has been undertaken by our employees in the areas of water, air and soil preservation and conservation, education, health and social engineering, waste management and NGO development. We stay committed to providing dependable and innovative products and services. We are STAMFORD and AVK.